Hello everybody, how you doing? I'm in Barnsley, the best town in England. It's very quiet today though, because it's a late Thursday afternoon and there's not much going on. I've only come in to go to the bank, need to get some cash out, you know, after my recent escapades in Spain. I'm going to make sure I've always got cash on me. So yeah, I've just been to the bank, but I just thought I'd do a really quick vlog because I keep getting asked this same question all the time. I keep getting emails and messages and comments and people saying to me, James, what's the best camera for vlogging? I want to start vlogging. What's the best camera? And I'm going to answer that truthfully. I've got to be honest with you. It's basically any camera you've got. Now, I'm a bit of a nerd. I love my tech and stuff like that, and I'm always trying to find an excuse to buy a more and more expensive camera. Oh, look at this. Oh, it does this. It does 8K. It does all this amazing stuff. But then when it gets down to it, and I'll tell you what's got me thinking about this. I was just watching a couple of really big YouTubers the other night. Millions of subscribers, and they just use the most basic cameras like this one what I'm on now, which is just a basic GoPro. The beauty of it is it's pretty discreet. You can turn the screens off. I mean, you're still holding it so people can see you, but it just works. You can turn it around quick like that, boom. It works and it's discreet and it's good for filming in public. And so I thought I'd fetch this one out today and film with this. I've got it on 1080p as well, which is like the lowest setting, because it's easier. The file sizes are a lot smaller. It's quicker to upload. So yeah, that's what I suggest you do. There's the Barry Hines Memorial here. My plan was to nip into town, go to the bank, and I thought I can call in old number 7 for a pint. I don't know if you know Barnsley, but that's a cracking pub, or it used to be a cracking pub. I don't know if it's still the same, but I just went up past there and it was shut. So I'll go to another one. There's a few more around here.
Are you filming?
I am, do you want to be on? What's best? Are you from round? Are you from Barnsley? What's best pub? You're probably too young, aren't you, for pubs?
No, she'll know. Pub? Starring couldn't.
Is it?
No, Wetherspoons is better.
Is it? What's it like living in Barnsley?
Full cracker.
Yeah, she's gone right shy, hasn't she?
Darcy's feet. What's it like?
What's it like? You're from Barnsley?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really. Would rather not live in Barnsley, to be honest.
No, you'd rather not?
No.
Oh well, it's all right. It's nice. I've been all over. It's a nice place. You're on YouTube now.
Are you like it?
No. So nice local lasses there at college. I says to him, you know, when you don't think when you say something, I went, what's best pub? And I thought, oh, they're only about 16. I shouldn't have said that. It's just like a built-in thing. Mind you, if they're from Barnsley, they'll be good at pub when they're about 14. So there is a few around here. We'll go and have a pint somewhere. How are you? I'm filming, by the way. Is that all right?
Oh, are you?
Yeah. I'm doing a vlog. What kind
of vlog are you doing? Kind of
just YouTube. I do all sorts. I go all over, but I'm from Barnsley.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just doing a little vlog today.
Oh, okay. Just sort of like day in the life kind of thing.
Day in the life. That's what I do. Yeah.
Nice
all the
I'm
time.
Victor. What's your name?
I'm James.
James. I don't mind.
I used to do what you did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
It's a hard slog, isn't it?
I don't mind it, you know. You get to talk to all different people, you know, all sorts of background. I haven't spoken to anyone who vlogs Barnsley, so you know what I mean. You meet all sorts of different people.
Yeah.
Really? I haven't seen any of them today.
Where are you from?
I'm from London originally. Yeah.
All right, but do you live up here now then?
No, I live in Manchester.
Right.
Yeah, I'm moving to Leeds 2nd of June.
Right.
So got about a month before I move to Leeds.
Nice
Yeah,
one.
it's nice around here, you know.
Yeah.
I quite like it.
It's all right. The
I had
good
to
people.
I had to get out of London. It's a failed city, man.
Yeah.
It's not nice anymore, you know. It was all right growing up there, but now I don't like it. It's,
You don't?
Yeah, a bit of a shit.
Barnsley's got quite a bad reputation, but it's actually a nice place,
Really?
and the people are really nice.
I was going to
Barnsley.
say, I quite like it here.
Yeah.
Like, everyone seems really friendly,
Yeah.
you know.
They are. All town centres are a little bit run down, aren't they?
Yeah,
But it's not a bad
the
one.
sort of the idea of the high street is definitely dying.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But look, I know you are busy, mate.
Yeah,
Can I take 5 seconds? Show you
Oh,
what we're
you're
doing?
all right.
No
Honestly,
problem, mate.
thank
Have a
you,
good
mate.
day, all right?
Cheers. Yeah, I tend to talk to them guys. They're just trying to earn a living, aren't they? It's a job I used to do. I've talked about it in past. I just had to check our recording then. I did gas and electricity. Oh God, that were a godforsaken thing. And I think it were a lot easier then as well, because, you know, people are wise to it, aren't they now? Anyway, we're around here by the Victoria in Europe stall, and there's a few pubs around here. They're a bit notorious, but we'll go in and we'll have a look. I can't remember what I'd said. I was supposed to be talking about cameras, weren't I? And I've been distracted. I'll tell you one thing I need to remember to tell you. I've started my van raffle, so I'll put the link in below. So if you want to buy a ticket to win my van, my old van, Dorothy, £5 a ticket. Where are we going to go? There's a pub up here. It's Chambers. Oh, we can go in Wetherspoons, can't we? We'll go in Wetherspoons. We'll go in Wetherspoons. Just round here. It's Kenneth Branagh pub. Or Joseph Bramman or something, I don't know. No worries, mate. Yeah, that's why I wanted to go. Old number 7, it's a cracking pub. Oh, I know where I can go. Well, no, it'll be short. We'll go at Joseph Brammer, be cheap in here, have a pint. A bit busy in here, always is.
People don't do that and they never have. I'll just have about Yorkshire here. Wall in New York. And the Yorks is called the Yorks. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you.
I'll sit up here. I'm filming myself, I'm not a weirdo.
Alright, what's it
Is that
called?
alright for YouTube?
Alright, yeah, that's
Is it
fine.
okay?
Crack on.
Just doing a bit of the pub crawl. Do you want to be on?
You what?
Do you want to be on?
Do I want to be on?
Yeah, come and say hello. Are you managing? You've got what sort of managerial look about you?
Well, no, I'm one of the shift leaders, so I'm one of the duty managers.
All right.
Yeah, there's quite a few of us.
What's it like as a Wetherspoons? Have you worked in any others?
Yeah, I've worked in a few other pubs, and yeah, I enjoy it. It's all the same.
Good clientele here, are there? The Barnsley folk, they're
yeah,
alright,
we're
aren't
alright.
they? So cheap that. Farmer's steel cow,
Do
$1.99.
you like guest ales? Naturally,
I like any ale.
We're just trying it because it's cheap.
Well, I like that actually, and I saw it at $1.99, so I thought I've got to have it on top.
You should come in on Wednesdays or Mondays.
Yeah, I'll have to try it.
$1.79.
Can't say no to that, can you really? That sort of price. Fantastic.
No. Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Enjoy.
Alright, nice to meet you. Bye. Yeah, Farmer's Steel Cow, £1.99. It's not bad, is it? Can't moan at that. Can't moan at that at all. I'm not sure about these seats though. There's my glasses. I'm going to turn the camera off because I'm going to sit here on my phone for about 10 minutes. I'm going to see if I've got any bids on me, not bids, see if I've sold any tickets on my raffle. So I'll turn you off. This camera, by the way, I've just been singing the praises of the GoPro. They're not as good in dark places, and it is quite dark in here, so they're alright when it's sat like it is now, but when you're walking it will jitter a little bit. Well, that's worked out well, because while I was there having my pint, I had a phone call from the garage to say the van is ready, so I can go and pick that up now. Happy days. And then I can get editing this. Not that this is going to take much editing, to be honest. So what were I saying? We were talking about cameras. That's what this vlog was about. I forgot what I said. Whatever camera, just use whatever camera you've got. You know, I spend so long thinking about cinematography and B-roll, and sometimes I'll spend days making a vlog and then nobody watches it. Well, they watch it, but you don't get as many views as you get on the ones that are more like this, just basic, that are quicker, because it's all about real life. People want to see interactions. So if you think about like Bald and Bankrupt and Simon Wilson, you know, they have old cameras, they use old gear. And if you look, I mean, I love Simon Wilson, I think his content's fantastic, but if you look at his stuff, his footage is quite bad, and he'll probably admit that. But it's not about the footage, it's about their interactions, it's about the real life. So that's what you've got to think about. Sound's important, you've got to have good sound. So for example, I could turn the camera off now and I could talk to you, I could continue talking, and you could be listening to me and you still get an idea what's going on. But then if I switch that over and I left the footage on but I turned the sound off, so yeah, sound is very important. And again, with this camera, with the GoPro, I don't need to wear a mic. I just have the there's like a sock. I talked about it earlier. It's like it fits over it. It's like a piece of foam that covers all the holes, you know, the microphone holes. So, you know, you're not faffing about with little mics strapped to you that you're always knocking and stuff like that. So tomorrow I'm going to Derby. You've heard it first here. Now, well, this is behind the scenes, isn't it? I'm going to Derby because I read an article and it was voted the worst city in the UK to spend a weekend. So I thought, right, I need to go there and vlog that. So that's what I'm going to do. And I've decided that I'm going to do it on this camera. Rather than taking a fancy camera and doing all that, I'm just going to... Whoa! I'm just... I think they were subscribers. So yeah, I'm just going to do that on this camera. Yeah, got distracted then. It's all about the interaction. It's something I want to work on far more on my videos. I'm getting better at it, but it is really nerve-wracking to have a camera and just go up to people and start talking. It's so difficult. It's usually, I know it sounds bad this, but you know, if you've had a couple of pints, it's a bit easier. But I'm going to try that in Derby tomorrow when I go. That's going to go on my main channel. But I'm going to do it all on this camera because I think it's great. It's more discreet. It's even, in a way, it's more discreet than the Osmo Pocket 3, in a way, because you can be a little bit more rough with it. Anyway, look what I am. I'm in Dorothy. So, if you want a chance of winning Dorothy, let me show you inside. If you've not seen her, let me find my key. This is Dorothy. I'll put a link in the description. You also get that. £5 a ticket. You win this van that was professionally converted. You win that power bank. And Bully's special prize, me and Helen will take you out for a meal and get you some drinks and stuff like that. So, links in description. Have a go on that. I'm going to pick my van up now. So, thanks for watching. Locked myself out of it, van. I know it was only a very brief video, but it's what I want to do. I want to do vlogs like this. Get vlogging. Get your set out there. Get your camera. Don't wait for the perfect camera. Just, it don't matter. It don't matter. Do it on your phone. Just make sure your sound's alright. So make sure you've got some sort of muff. Alright. GoPros at best, in my opinion, for this type of thing. Alright. Worry about all cinematography later. You're not Steven Spielberg. If people want to see, this is me saying this, and I think I'm Steven Spielberg sometimes, but I'm learning. Do you know what I mean? And I'm thinking, why am I wasting all my time? Why am I doing all that stuff? It's only for my benefit, really. Nobody cares. People just want they want straight into action. They want to see what's going on. Anyway, I'm rabbiting on. That's what I do. I'll see you again soon. Me and Helen are going to France and Spain on Sunday, so we'll fetch you some behind the scenes stuff from that, and then the main videos will be on the main channel. And you know what I was talking about, fancy gear? I got some fancy gear. So I'll show you my fancy gear, what I got. And I'm probably not going to use it because it's too much faffing. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you're all well. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff, and press all the buttons. Alright, see you later.